So this is the question number 9 of exercise number 4B. Question number 9 and it's D part of exercise 4B. The question is 4 e raised to power minus 6 f power 3 over 8 e raised to power 12 f raised to power 6 and they have overall power 2 over here. How we can solve it? We first of all that we have to open this bracket so that it will be 4 raised to power, because 4 don't have any power before, so it will only be 2. But e raised to power minus 6 multiplied by 2 and f raised to power 3 multiplied by 2. In place of multiplication, I am just using the bracket. Fine. Is that fine for both of you? 8 e raised to power 12 and f raised to power 6. 4 raised to power 2. What do you mean by 4 raised to power 2? 4 raised to power 2 mean 4 fours are 16. This will be 16. E raised to power minus 6 twos are 12 and f raised to power 3 twos are 6 over 8 e raised to power 12 and f raised to power 6. Now can I cancel 8 and 6? They are coming in the same table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So the leftover values will be, I'm moving to this side, it can be 2 e power minus 12 f power 6 over e power 12 and f power 6. As you know that we have to make the power positive. So if I bring the e to down, it become positive. And if I take 6 anywhere you can take, because 6 have plus 6 here, plus 6 here, as we cannot cancel them directly because we have to show the zero law of indices. So I am just writing it as 2 f raised to power 6 minus 6. I am taking this 6 to upward over e raised to power 12.
Miss,
Hmm?
Abhi has said that I will join in 2 minutes.
She joined.
Yes, miss.
Okay, miss.
2 f raised to power 6 minus 6 and e raised to power 12. When I bring this minus 12 to downward, it becomes plus 12. And answer of this question will be 2 f raised to power 6 minus 6 is 0 over e raised to power 24. And we know that when the anything power 0, that will be equal to 1. You have to show that step 2 into 1 e raised to power 24. And your final answer is going to be 2 over e raised to power 24. Can you please check the answer?
Miss.
Yes, Vicha.
Miss, in the third step, if we don't cancel out the numbers, then is there a way we can still get the correct answer?
Where we cancel the numbers? 8 and 16?
In the third step, yes, that one.
So beta, they are the numbers which are dividing by, one is in the numerator, one is in the denominator. So it's better that you have to cut the coefficients. As it is same as that we are dividing the coefficients. No? So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. If you will not cancel at this point, maybe you cancel here, maybe you cancel here, maybe you cancel at the last step. So why you want to take it up to the last step? At the final also you have to cut it in any case. So better to cancel at the beginning.
Okay, miss.
Okay, I am repeating that this was the question where we have the overall outside bracket, that is the according to the third law of indices, that we multiplied each inside value of the bracket with the outside power. So it become 4 raised to power 2 e raised to power minus 6 multiplied by 2 f raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 8 e raised to power 12 f6 same as. We know that 4 raised to power 2 mean 4 fours are 16. E raised to power plus minus minus 12 f raised to power 3 twos are 6 over 8 e 12 f6. After that beta 8 and 16 I have cancelled and I get 2 only. So 2 e power minus 12 f6 e 12 and f6. We know that this is the requirement of the question. It is written in the question that leave your answer into the positive index. As we want to leave our answer to the positive index, so for that purpose, what I have done, that I just, this is the negative power of the E. When I shift it to the downside, it become positive. 6 you can take anywhere. You can take upward or you can take downward. It will remain same because it has to be 0. plus 6 and minus 6 will be 0. That f0, whatever power is 0, that become equals to 1. So 2 ones are 2 over e power 24. That will be your final answer. Clear now? Yes, bache, any doubt?
No, miss.
Okay. Copy the question, then I am moving.
Okay.
Done? Can I move to the next part?
1 second, miss.
Abhiha done, bache? Or you have question?
Miss, I'm done.
Okay, good. Hafsa?
Done, miss.
Okay. Now the next part, that is the E part. E part of the question 9. E part is 3, g raised to power minus 3, 8 raised to power minus 1. Behind Hafsa, you can also verify this question beta because I gave this all the parts of question 9 as homework. So you can also verify these questions by your class register, okay? Now start with it. As the overall bracket is outside power is there, so what we have to do, the very first step, that we have to multiply with the outside power. It will be 3 raised to power 2, g raised to power minus 3 multiplied by 2, h raised to power minus 1 multiplied by 2, into minus 4 raised to power 2, g raised to power 3 multiplied by 2, and h raised to power minus 2 multiplied by 2. 3 power 2. What do you mean by 3 power 2? 3 square, that is 9. 9, g raised to power minus 6, h raised to power minus 2, multiplied by minus 4 square. Square of the negative value will be positive or it will be negative? Yes, girls, it will be positive. And g power 3 2s are 6 and h power minus 4. As the coefficients are multiplying, can you see the coefficients over here? What are the coefficients? Yes, bache. What are the
9.
coefficients? 9 and 16. 16 nines are 144. 144. As the powers, the base is same and in between there is a multiplication sign, it means that you have to plus the powers. So minus 6 plus 6, h power minus 2 plus minus 4. And we know that minus 2 plus into minus 4, it will be minus 2 minus 4 because plus minus become minus. So finally it will be minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Can I write directly into the next step minus 6 h power? Yes. 144 g power 0 h power minus 6. And then in the next step, you can write over here that 144 g power 0 mean 1. As the h power is negative, I want the power positive, so I am bringing it down. In the denominator, it will be 144 over h power 6. Any doubt in the question? Yes?
Miss, why would it be g raised to power 0?
Because
1 like minus plus 6.
beta, you have to add the powers. When you have to add the powers, so why we added the power? We added the power because we have done here, the base is same. The base is g, the base is g. In between multiplication sign is there. According to the very first law of indices, when the base is same and the multiplication sign is between, plus the powers. Same I have done with the h also. That the base is same. So plus the powers, minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus minus here, and minus 2 minus 4 become minus 6. Clear now?
Teacher, can't we cancel out G6 and G minus 6?
No, we cannot cancel because you have to show the zero law of indices here.
Okay, miss.
Okay, this exercise is basically related to the zero law and negative power, negative law. So negative mean whenever we are getting the negative power, if we shift it down, so it become positive, and if something is negative in the denominator, you can take it to the upward to make it positive. So this is actually this exercise 4B is basically related to these two basic law, zero law of indices and the negative law of indices. So we have to show those two law in the questions.